Here's a look at how to custom order a new Ford. Once at Ford.com, select a vehicle. Today we'll be going with our most popular model, the Ford F-150. That is found under the Trucks and Vans tab. Select Build and Price, then start your build. When building a truck, start with the desired cab configuration. Next, select box length. Today we'll be going with the Super Crew short box configuration. Trim level is also selected on the first screen, and you'll notice we're building an XLT model here. Next up is colors, starting with the exterior paint. All available colors for your chosen model and trim line will appear in the tab on the right. Selecting a color is easy. Just click and see what it looks like until you land on the one you want. From there, you can choose your desired motor and drivetrain. In this case, you'll notice we selected the new PowerBoost Hybrid and 4x4. When adding or removing an option affects the price of the vehicle, a prompt will appear to make you aware of the change in cost. From there, you click OK and continue to the next part of your build. Next up is Equipment Group. With XLT F-150, there is a low, middle, or high equipment group available. To see what each equipment group contains, click on the Info tab to see the differences in each group. From there, package options are listed down the right-hand side. If you would like to add any of the package contents, simply click on the desired option and it will add those features to your truck. If selecting a specific package requires changes elsewhere in the build, a prompt will appear to make you aware of what's affected and any necessary changes that will need to be made. Lastly, accessories can be added. Factory accessories sometimes delay build times, and we have nearly every possible Ford accessory available here at Northstar Ford. It is advisable to add accessories once the vehicle is ordered and arrives at the dealership. Once the build is complete, different finance options show up to provide pricing information tailored to the vehicle you've built. At this point, you can review the summary of the entire build and either print to review and bring to Northstar Ford, or you can choose the share option and email it to us so we can build and order it for you.